McCarthy spoke with immigration rights protesters who camped out inside his office for more than 12 hours. This is a picture of McCarthy meeting with UFW members just after 11 p.m. last night. The women had refused to leave and were locked inside the congressman's office, with BPD officers watching the door. McCarthy's office released a statement saying in part, quote, "Congressman McCarthy has met with these groups and has listened to their arguments, and it is unfortunate that these groups have resorted to these types of tactics. Congressman McCarthy remains undeterred toward reforming our broken immigration system and will continue to listen to his constituents." To read the full quote, you can download our 23 ABC mobile and tablet app.